Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 2 of the Cougar Connection. I am your host and the principal of Simons Middle School, Whitney Wilson, and I just want to welcome everybody back. We had a wonderful 2 days, the first couple days of school, and just to take a moment and shout out once again to our community partners and thank them for their generous donation. Hinton Mills, Sims Dairy Queen, People's Bank, and Graham Lumber donated t-shirts to every student at Simons Middle School. So every student at Simons Middle School has a Can Will Must shirt, and we are encouraging all students to wear those shirts on Fridays. There's going to be some incentives behind those shirts, so students make sure that you wear them on Fridays. Just a few general announcements. If you have not done so already, make sure that you sign up for Remind. Remind is the text messaging service that allows you to communicate with me and me to communicate with you via text. So make sure that you text at Simons MI to 81010, or you can also email me if you need to get in touch with me. My email address is whitney.wilson@fleming.kyschools.us. So you can also email me if you have any questions or maybe you have something you want featured in the Cougar Connection. So every week we will have a student spotlight. This week our very first spotlight goes to a student who is new to the district. His name is Bradley Norris. And Bradley has several younger siblings who attend Flemingsburg Elementary. So Bradley and his siblings missed the bus on Friday. They weren't sure what time it was supposed to show up and pick them up. And he made sure that he got his younger siblings ready, and he walked them to Flemingsburg Elementary School, and then he walked himself to school, and they all made it on time. So I think that is a huge statement into how dedicated and responsible the student is. So congratulations, Bradley, and thank you for demonstrating the Can Will Must attitude. So just a few upcoming announcements. I know that we have some staff members who are participating in restraint training, so don't forget, staff, that does start at 3:45 tomorrow at Flemingsburg Elementary School. Also on Wednesday, we do have a faculty meeting after school. It'll last for about an hour, starting at 3:30, and we also have side bus door evacuations in the morning on Wednesday. So Friday, students, staff, don't forget, that's Can Will Must Day. Wear your shirts. And Kona Ice will also be here during break on Friday. Students, if you're interested in purchasing a Kona Ice, please make sure you bring a little bit of extra money. And the Green Monkey team is also hosting a dance on Friday. So students, if you want to stay after for the dance, you do need to make sure that you bring a note that grants you parent permission to do so. So finally, our staff spotlight for this week is Mrs. Wagner. And the reason that Miss Wagner is sponsored this week is because she recently received a grant for Morehead Wood Products, and it fulfilled all of the items on her classroom wish list, which were new tables for her students. So congratulations, Miss Wagner. I'm not going to read everything in the article, but I do just want to let you guys know that if you haven't had the pleasure to meet Miss Wagner, please do so. She's a wonderful person. She's a wonderful teacher. She always does what's best for kids. She chairs our Culture and Climate Committee, and she works really hard with parents and others to make sure that we have a positive school culture at Simons Middle School. So thanks, Amy, for all that you do for us. And finally, there are a few questions that have been asked of me within the last couple of days. So let me go ahead and clear a few things up. I've been asked multiple times this week about schedules. So students, if you have a schedule that you want changed, you can see Ms. Perkins about your schedule. However, if you wish to change an enrichment period, the answer is probably going to be from her that you cannot do so, simply because our enrichment classes are full right now and there are no extra openings. So if you want to transfer out of an enrichment class, you're probably going to have maybe one class or two that you could choose. So you're not going to have very many choices. Another question that I have been asked several times this week has to do with backpacks. So students, you may carry a backpack, but some teachers do require them to put their backpacks in their lockers before they come into their classroom, and that is strictly a safety concern. You guys know our building is a really old building. The classrooms are really small, so when you get 30 backpacks in a classroom, it is a tripping hazard for students and for teachers. So if you're going to bring a backpack to school, no big deal, but you do need to make sure you have a lock to go on your lockers too, so you can lock those away if needed. That's all that I have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week.